Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We thought we would share with you a few ways that we share Thrive with people. So we can do it in a one-on-one. Sometimes we share it with just one person, and sometimes we're sharing it with a 5 to 10, and then sometimes we're demonstrating it for like a big show where we have constant flow of people. So we're going to just explain what we've got here.
And we just wanted to touch on a few items that we like to share. So it covers a little bit of everything that we have. So I always start out with Roofie. I don't know about you, but that's the easiest way to use Thrive is through our Roofie. And our Roofie is 4 different drinks with 26 different fruits and vegetables in them. And they're just clean, simple ingredients, all the fibers intact, and you just tear, dump into a shaker bottle with some water, shake it and drink it. And it's easy nutrients on the go. So this is usually where I start because anybody can do it. And it really helps people. They've noticed lots of great results in their health because of starting to drink with Ruby.
Yeah.
So once you start with that and you get hooked, then we go on to other things in our line.
You bet. And some other products that are really nice to share is the corn. The corn is pretty amazing because you think you're going to bite into something that's really dried and hard, but it's not. It's actually really crunchy and delicious. You can eat it right out of the can. So that's an awesome one to start with.
These are our small cans. So we like to show that we do have canned goods. We have things in pouches and then some on the go. So we've got fruits and vegetables. So of course we touched on the vegetables, and here's the fruit. This is just a Snackies pouch of pineapple. I love the taste of the pineapple. I don't think I've found one person that doesn't like pineapple. So we do like to show a little bit of our fruit.
Yeah, I show strawberries sometimes if I'm running low with the pineapple. I do the strawberries, so that's a good one too.
It's a popular one.
And then the coconut bites for people that really like to snack on something sweeter. Not necessarily totally healthy for you, but it is
so
awesome.
Delicious.
Oh, it's
made
an
with
awesome
coconut
option.
milk.
Yeah.
And these are our Snackies pouches. So these are the larger pouches. These are the smaller ones. So it's really good to just keep in your purse or backpack or in a lunchbox. Oh, I forgot to mention that you get a free Ruby shaker bottle like this with your first purchase of our Ruby
blends. And also it comes in a larger bottle, a box, like a larger can. This is a pantry can size, but it comes in the family can, which is about 3.5 times almost 4 what we have in a pantry. So those are the options that you can buy it in. And also there's some flyers that we love to show. The Ruby flyer, of course, it talks about the Ruby and the benefits. It shows the blends and all the fruit and vegetables that are in it. And that's a nice one to share.
I like this one. This is one of my favorites, the Nutri-Lock. And Nutri-Lock is our freeze-drying process. It's a 40-step process to ensure the highest quality, taste, and nutrition are in our cans. It also gives nutritional facts because we have more nutrients in our cans than the fresh from the grocery store. So I really like this. Just as an example, freeze-dried strawberries have 82% more phytonutrients than the fresh strawberries you get at the grocery store. Like that's huge.
Yeah.
And this gives a lot of nutritional facts in here, which I really like.
Yeah, that is an awesome flyer. I like that one too. We also sell to-goes and Simple Plate, and that flyer can be helpful for that.
That's a meal on a go.
Yeah,
a meal on a go. Meal in a pouch, and there's a chicken salad. They're great. They're little pouches, kind of like this, but it's got a whole little meal in there. You just add water, seal it up, wait a few minutes, and then you can eat it.
Yeah, and Simple Plate, which is a meal in a box. So all the ingredients are pre-portioned, pre-measured. All you have to do is follow the colored numbers, and the recipe card is right there to help you with. So those are nice options, but the grocery store really has a good variety. Also, I always keep a catalog on hand so people can kind of skim through it, but we do everything online, so I don't actually purchase these and give them out. I just send it to them online if they would like.
It is nice to have though, just in case.
Yeah. A few other things that I like to focus on because it is in US dollars. I like to say, okay, so let's see how you can save some money. The monthly specials are always a nice way. Going on the delivery is another nice way as well. If anything over $100 is free shipping, and that's another savings too. So,
and through the delivery, you also get wholesale pricing instead of retail.
Exactly.
So that's a sweet deal.
So always show the specials because I tell them I encourage them to shop. Then there's the link the link, everyone has a link, they can share it with others, and that link is kind of like a party. So you're sharing it with others, they buy it, and you get the benefit and get a credit in your account. So that's a nice option. I like to discuss that.
One thing that I do want to mention with that link is whether you purchased or not, as a customer, you get a free link. And this link can be shared by text, by any way you want. And if anybody purchases through your link, you get an instant credit back in your account. So you get some free food just for sharing.
Yeah, so it's pretty neat. And then of course, those that are interested in being a consultant, I give them the package options and also the benefits to being a consultant. I also do have these, it kind of talks about the food and the process that it goes through versus the regular process that our food goes through. The Nutri-Lock, which Kathy just talked about, some of the benefits and how to buy the produce, some of the advantages and the food benefits, and the savings, time savings. Time is valuable to everybody. So I kind of walk through because there's no chopping, peeling, washing, coring. So it's really actually very nice.
As you could see in some of our other videos, when we have some of our cook-offs, you could see the time savings right there, just between having to do things from scratch compared to doing it with Thrive. And the waste is amazing too, because you don't have the waste like you do with fresh produce. So it is kind of the way to go. And this is just a little bit of a variety where we touch on a few of our things, our favorite flyers we like to use, and yeah. That's kind of what we have. We can have this in our car, always have it there. So if there's someone that you're talking to, and make sure you do your own business cards, because your business cards will be shared and of course your link and your website so they can shop from you. There's one other thing that we do all the time is we share our 5-minute video that summarizes all of our food in 5 minutes. We can personal message that, we can send it by email or text. It doesn't matter, any of those. And so yeah, that's a good way to introduce the food if you don't have the chance to talk to them about it. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and to make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time we post a new video.
So remember,
you can do this too.